Okay, 7.2. 7.2. The topic is redox and electron transfer. 7.1. 7.1 is what? 7.1 is oxidation and reduction. So 7.1 oxidation reduction talking about oxygen is gained or oxygen is lost. So this time we are going to talk about the redox and related to the electron transfer. So let's go to the screen again. For example, magnesium. Maybe I can go to another example. Okay, CO2. Carbon. Let me just write. Carbon plus oxygen produce carbon dioxide. Okay, obviously carbon is oxidized because carbon gain oxygen and become carbon dioxide. So this one is oxidation. But what about this one? Okay, so we have discussed oxygen is being reduced, reduction occur. But from this one, we can't see obviously why oxygen gain oxygen according to what we have learned in the past lah. So why it is called reduction? So go to another example. Magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. This one also very obvious. Magnesium is oxidized. Magnesium become magnesium oxide because it gained oxygen, so oxidation. And oxygen is being reduced, reduction occur. But this one is not obviously, we can't see oxygen gain oxygen. We can't see oxygen gain oxygen. I give you one example which we can see oxygen is lost, oxygen is gained. Obviously, another example. So CuO plus H2. Okay, copper oxide plus hydrogen produce copper plus water. This one very obvious. This one, you see, copper oxide become copper. We discussed last time. This one is surely reduction because oxygen is lost. Okay, so this one is reduction. And H2 become H2O, gaining oxygen. So this one is oxidation. This one is obvious. But when we come back to the first example, C gaining oxygen, carbon gaining oxygen become carbon dioxide, oxidation, we know. But oxygen become carbon dioxide, this one is a reduction. We can't see any gaining of oxygen. So we are going to learn in the new topic, talking about electron transfer. Actually, it's related to electron transfer. So magnesium burn in oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. So magnesium is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. Okay. So now let me stop a while again and let me share with you the overall okay, overall. Actually, what does it mean? What does it mean by oxidation? Oxidation means gaining oxygen. It can be also what? It can be also losing electron. Okay? This one we are going to learn later. What does it mean by reduction? Reduction is losing oxygen, and you can also say that reduction is gaining electron. So new topic, electron transfer. So remember this. Then we go back to the worksheet. Okay, so this one. So you see magnesium Oxygen, magnesium, oxygen. So magnesium, the electron distribution, magnesium has 12. Okay, the atomic mass is 12. So the magnesium electron distribution is 282. 282. Where is my pen? 282 means 2 electron at the first electron shell, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 here. What about oxygen? 2, 1, 2, 1. I should use another color. Okay, let me use blue. So 2 here. Outer shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we know, oxygen is not stable. So 2, 6. So 6, the outer shell must have 8 electrons to be stable. Okay, and the outer shell here, 2 is not stable. It needs to be 8 to be stable. So to give up 2 electrons is easier than receiving 6. Am I right? So for magnesium, magnesium will give out 2 electrons. Give out 2 electrons. So these 2 will be given out to oxygen. And oxygen, so 282 become 28, giving up 2 electrons. So 28 is stable lah. Then oxygen 26 is not stable, so 28 will be more stable. So oxygen will receive 2 electrons from the magnesium. Okay, from the magnesium to become stable. So magnesium loses electron, and oxygen gaining electron. Okay, so what happened at the end will be 1, 2, so become 28. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for magnesium. Okay, for oxygen become 2, 6 become 2, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then receive 2 electrons from magnesium 7, 8. So on the left hand side, this reactant, they are atoms. Okay, on the right hand side, they are products. So the magnesium is supposed to be in the form of atom, and now it become ion. So what we do is we draw blanket because it loses 2 electrons. So 2 plus or 2 minus, 2 plus, because it loses 2 electrons, become positive charge. While oxygen, it gains 2 electrons from magnesium, gains 2 electrons, so it becomes 2 minus. Okay. Okay. So far, no problem. So magnesium loses 2 electrons. So magnesium is considered as it experience. So loses 2 electrons. Loses 2 electrons is considered as oxidation. While oxygen gaining 2 electrons, so it is called it experiences reduction. Okay, I stop here for a moment.